Welcome back. A day after Prime Minister Modi launched a scathing attack on the Congress party and charged them for speaking the language of Pakistan, Congress candidate from Jalandhar and former Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi courted a fresh controversy. After calling the terror attack on IAF convoy in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch a pole stunt, Channi once again sparked a row. While addressing a press conference, Channi said if the Congress party comes to power, they'll open the India-Pakistan border. The development comes days after he received a warning from the Election Commission of India for his objectionable remarks made earlier this month. Channi then went on to add that Congress will open Punjab's Wagah border that will allow people from Pakistan to come to Punjab for medical treatment, which will promote medical tourism in Jalandhar.
ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਇਹ ਮੈਨੀਫੈਸਟੋ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਟੂਰਿਜ਼ਮ ਨੂੰ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ बढ़ावा देना है। इतने बहुत स्कोप है, बाहर के लोग आके इतने इलाज कराना चाहते हैं। ऐसी बाघा बॉर्डर को खोल के जिन्ना इस पासे का मैडिकल लोगों को सहूलतां चाहिए वो इतने आराम नाल आके पाकिस्तान तो या होर इतने बाई रोड भी आ सकते हैं, वो इतने इलाज कराया करनगे। तो बाहरों देशों चो आके, क्योंकि बाहरले देशों में बहुत महंगा इलाज है, इतने असीं ये फैसिलिटियां तैयार करांगे, मैडिकल टूरिज्म को बढ़ावा देवांगे।
Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi called out Congress's Pakistan praise and asserted if elected, then they will start sending messages of friendship to Terroristan. He was talking about the Congress party. He went on to highlight that the INDIA bloc is a threat to the country's security.
कुछ ताकतें ऐसी भी हैं जिन्हें भारत की प्रगति से पेट में दर्द हो रहा है। ये लोग 4 जून को लेकर अलग ही सपने देख रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान में सपा कांग्रेस के इंडी गठबंधन के लिए दुआ पड़ी जा रही है। सीमा पार से जिहादी उन्हें समर्थन दे रहे हैं। यहां सपा कांग्रेस वाले वोट जिहाद की अपील कर रहे हैं।
I think he needs to be reminded that whilst we want to do medical tourism, India is already a hub. These are not decisions taken by a pratyashi or a candidate in a Lok Sabha constituency. These are decisions the central government has to take. And if he wants to open a border with a country which has defined its existence as one which believes in using terror as an instrument of state policy, I can only marvel at Mr. Channi's sense of balance.
This statement coming from former Chief Minister Channi of the Congress party, that they will open the borders freely for Pakistanis to come into India at a time when elections are on. Given the fact that Pakistan hasn't addressed the core issue between India and Pakistan, being terrorism and sponsor of terrorism, I think reveals a lot about the Congress party, its fascination with Pakistan. Even during the Balkot attack, they asked for evidence from the Indian Air Force. Even during the surgical strike, they asked for evidence from the Indian Army. They questioned Balkot. Their senior leaders even said that only trees were burned. So what is this fascination of the Congress party with Pakistan?
The politics over national security is taking center stage ahead of the last phase of elections. Taking a short break here on Times Now. We'll be back with more news and updates.